Thinking about using Coinbase but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Coinbase the smart way, from setting up your account to choosing the right crypto, and even how to earn rewards and protect your money. Welcome back to Crypto for Starters, the channel where we make crypto simple. Coinbase is one of the most popular crypto exchanges in the world, and it's beginner friendly. But just having an account isn't enough. If you actually want to make money with crypto, you need to know how to use Coinbase properly. Let's break this all down. Let's start off with how you create a Coinbase account. Setting up your Coinbase account is simple. You'll need your email address, a phone number, a government issued ID, and a bank account or a debit card. This process is called KYC, or Know Your Customer, and it's required on all legit exchanges. You have a few investment options on Coinbase. Once you're in, Coinbase gives you access to a huge variety of cryptocurrencies. The big names such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana are all there. You'll also find some meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe, along with trending AI tokens and gaming coins. But here's the key. Bitcoin is the anchor. Most altcoins follow Bitcoin's moves, just more dramatically. If Bitcoin goes up 10%, altcoins could rise 15 to 25%. But the reverse is also true. So be careful with smaller coins. They might go up faster, but they also crash harder. So what should you invest in? Bitcoin and Ethereum are like the Microsoft and Apple of crypto. Established, stable, and make up the majority of the market. Smaller coins have more upside, but they also have more risk. Use tools like CoinGecko to track the market, sort coins by category, and check things like price charts and market cap. Now let's talk about how to buy crypto on Coinbase. You've got two ways to buy. You could directly go through the Coinbase app or the website, or you could transfer in crypto from another wallet. So you could use your debit card or link your bank account, but just a heads up, debit card fees are higher. If you're planning to buy more than just a few bucks, linking your bank account is usually cheaper. But here's something important. Don't leave your crypto on Coinbase long term. Exchanges have gone bankrupt before, like FTX or Celsius. I personally have actually lost money in the Celsius collapse. I was able to get most of it back, but it definitely opened my eyes on how risky these exchanges can be. So make sure you store your crypto safely. Once you buy, move your crypto into a wallet you control. You've got two options. There are software wallets like Exodus, which you can download on your phone or computer. There are also hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger, which are offline and way more secure. Hardware wallets don't connect to the internet, but you do need to protect your seed phrase. Lose that and your crypto is gone forever. Now let's explore the Coinbase app. Once you've set up and ready to go, the Coinbase app becomes your main dashboard for all things crypto. And if you're new, it helps to know exactly where everyone is and what it does. On the home screen, you'll see a summary of your portfolio, the coins you own, and how much they're currently worth. You'll also see market updates and trending assets, which can be helpful for spotting what's gaining momentum. In the bottom menu, you'll find a few tabs, such as Assets. This shows your full portfolio and how each investment is performing. You'll see the gains, losses, and current prices. You'll see the Explore tab. Think of this as the discovery page. You can browse trending coins, check out categories like AI tokens or meme coins, and even see curated lists like the top movers or recently added. There's also the Trade tab. This is where you go to buy, sell, or convert crypto. Tapping Buy brings up a list of coins. Once you pick one, you'll see purchase options like bank account, debit card, or PayPal, depending on your region. As I mentioned earlier, using your bank account usually comes with lower fees than a debit card. There's also the Pay tab. This is Coinbase's built-in wallet-to-wallet transfer system. You can send crypto to other users or pay with crypto if a vendor supports it. And you'll also find the Learn and Earn tab. This section lets you earn free crypto just by completing short, beginner-friendly lessons on specific coins. On Coinbase, you can also set up price alerts, watch lists, and recurring buys. For example, investing $20 into Bitcoin every week. That's called dollar cost averaging, and it's one of the safest ways to invest steadily over time. Another underrated tool, the search bar. Type in any crypto, like Polkadot or Avalanche, and you'll get access to the price chart, market stats, recent news, and even staking options for that coin. If you're serious about tracking performance and making smarter decisions, spend time getting familiar with all these features. It can really help you move from beginner to confident investor. Another great thing about Coinbase is you can earn rewards through staking and quests. Coinbase doesn't just let you buy and sell crypto, it also helps you earn while you learn and invest. There are two main ways to do this, through staking and educational quests. Let's start with staking. Staking is when you lock up your crypto for a set period to help support the blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest on your savings. Inside the Coinbase app, there's a dedicated Earn tab where you can stake eligible coins directly. The reward rates vary. For example, you might earn around 9% on Polkadot, 5% on Cosmos, or 2.8% on Polygon. These ranges can change depending on market demand and network activity, but they can be a great way to grow your holdings passively. However, here's a warning many beginners overlook. When your crypto is staked, it's locked. You can't sell or transfer it until the lockup period ends. And if you're staking through the Coinbase exchange itself, that crypto is still sitting on their platform, meaning you're exposed to platform risk. If the exchange ever went down or got hacked, your funds could be at risk. That's what happened to users such as myself during the Celsius and FTX collapses. So, only stake what you're comfortable not touching for a while and understand the risks. Next, let's talk about quests. Coinbase offers a Learn and Earn program where you watch quick videos or complete short lessons about specific cryptocurrencies, and then after you finish, you get paid in that crypto. Usually it's only a few dollars worth, but it's a simple way to build your portfolio while getting educated. For example, you might earn $3 worth of Zeta chain or $5 in VeChain just for completing a mini course. Some users have even reported earning up to $75 or more by going through all the available lessons. The content is beginner friendly, and even if you're brand new, you'll walk away with a better understanding of how different projects work. These features, like staking and quests, make Coinbase more than just a trading platform. It becomes a place where your crypto can work for you, even while you're still learning the ropes. Coinbase is easy to use, but if you want to make money and keep it safe, you've got to use it wisely. Buy your crypto, transfer it to a secure wallet, and take advantage of staking and learning rewards, but always understand the risks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.